I'm gay, when you're man, I get Monterey and then the mood of the long up now. One of the Gakum case and one up was a case of Madana Buja from Woke, a Bueburo and one. Okay, for this case, remain in the top 2 or top 3 unsolved mysteries, unsolved crime mystery in the history of Nigeria after the death of Mohbad. Okay, for case ya no na oburo na top 2 or no na top 3 of the history of crime on unresolved mystery crime in Nigeria, because now all fingers are pointing to Nigerian police. Nigerian police keta akwebe release a statement say no kwa nekwe ihe melonu. Mgbe ha release the statement na agachi kolidi okwu. Nobody is ready to say anything now. Onwebere onye na-ekwu okwu, onwebere onye asị gị na ke ha si wee dị. Mana onwe video nchọ ka m play unu. Unu na-echa da video adị n'akụkụ ebe a. Welizie ili unu gụweze unu ọnụ. Unu ewelizie ili unu gụweze unu, because na this case na ine ya na social media world all the as clear as ndị mma the actors that played this thing, the actors, the antagonists and the protagonists, the actors are saying their own. The witness are saying their own. So by the time you put the two figures together, fact check here, there are still so many unsolved question marks somewhere. Kedebe phone Mr. Andrew di ofufoni ya na-efu. Kedu ka o si wee gbanyere ndị ha transfer? Kedu ka o si wee nweta debit alert na phone? Those girls, we are there ebe ka ha no. What if at the end of the day, obulu no umazia, we are hidden in a room, in a separate place, close where hono, chain somewhere, close where hanya, hamara ebe hano. What if one day, megide, we obulu no umazia then do somewhere hidden? Because Ozua follow doesn't show the fact na no umazia nwụrụ. What if at the end of the day, obona ha nwụrụ somewhere and their body was never discovered at the end of the day? Amen. That's why I'm saying now, careful this case ya no na go top 1 or top, this case ya no top 2, 3 after the death of Mohbad. Because all the evidences, when you connect the dots together, it means something is missing. Because somebody is not there to tell his own part of the story. The girls are nowhere to be found. Naba konwere onye ọzọ bịa bụrụ unu jebe ebe ọzọ from be Mr. Andrew. Because he check ebe Mr. Andrew, onwere ihe dịka crime scene enweta a pool of blood there. Onwero. So sinki enweta a stain na wall make obulu from previous victims. Because mgba ozu ha achọta obulu ozu dị fresh, ọkaghị ile to that level ahụ. That cotton I had is where I put use. Also, Mr. Andrew use that cotton. There 1,001 people use that color of that cotton. Just because he's living nearby. Let you say all fingers are pointing at him. Let I go. Can the Nigerian government conduct autopsy na that body? Kamalo ihe bully. Kamalo ko case weje. Onwelonye Mr. Andrew na elesi body parts. Who are those police people gbali egbe? Who are those people ahụ asị na azọ bịa zobe egbu ya ka onye nye ya right nya bulu muti ye gaba. So you connect ya those dots. Imana this akwefulu okwu a aya na one day okwu a nwo a natural death like this kama bad. Onwero zonye ya anune if the body of this lady we are not found. Even na achọpụta their body. Achọpụtagodi their body, nobody can ascertain say gịnị mee. Because the main actor, the lead actor character, none of this movie, none of this untold story, and go. Onobuna name is exaggeration. Before my name, another thing, because Nigerians we forget. So it's not Nigerians 1-2 months. A chief we make a case and say what next. Man, this thing we go down as one of the Guinea unresolved crime scene, unresolved crime issue in Nigeria in the history. Mana before then, before nkucha, and as I this video that I could about kuno what heme njiwekwe ihem neku cordin.
Many of you guys have had me in the last few days fuming. Yesterday I came out, I'm like, Nigerian police is hiding something. They never show us the body. I tagged Harrison and I told you guys to go and tag. That was yesterday morning. It was me, first of all and foremost. Let's make it clear. At just Adetun, my sister, it was me that brought this case to the limelight. Harrison started it. It was me who carried my phone in London when I was in the car with just Adetun, and I showed her for the first time this situation. She opened her mouth. She was shocked. I'm like, do you know this person is my friend? He's from this town here that we live. He said, no. I said, yes. So I told her everything. Just Adetun watched the video on Harrison's page. And I told just Adetun what I know. Because when I was watching Harrison, I know Harrison was struggling to gather facts. It was me. So before you begin to send your judgment, know what I did to make sure this case come to limelight. Just Adetun put her status as Agrigri one of Africa. And the story went boom. The story went boom. And I was happy about it. Bloggers begin to push it. Linda Ikeji took it. Gospel Mail took it. And all the big bloggers begin to took it. We're happy. If just Adetun asks me any content that I know I can give to her, I give it to her. And Harrison begin work. But my problem, even when Harrison was doing all that effort, I said, this is not Harrison's responsibility. Because me, I know what a police is supposed to be. But Harrison as an individual took it upon himself because the community that we are in, the police don't fail us. Police don't fail us. Say, two people pie, you catch this man for 1 month, you they play with him, they collect him money. You they play with him, they collect him money. They collect him money, forget about the investigation of that people. Forget about the polite of those young women. They lie for him. I get them fear fact here. And they are still lying for Harrison. They are still lying to Harrison. And Harrison, I understand you. It's not everything you go put your mouth. You did Nanja, they go do you very dark man. They go do you very dark man. If I did Nanja now, they for do me very dark man. Because those people, their head no correct. They fit just come your house, come carry you. Make one petition, they go lock you up. Come and carry me from UK. Come and carry me from UK. Tell Interpol, tell anybody, maybe they can't carry me from UK. Me and Una know they operate the same level. My brain know they operate the same level with Una. My level know they with Una level. So Una police, they see me from behind. They follow Andrew case for 2 weeks. Lock this guy up inside cell. They no do one investigation. They no arrest in chef. They no arrest in driver. They no arrest anybody. They no carry out search of that community and the house. They collect money. The guy, they pay them money. The guy, they pay them money. Make I tell you now. On the 20-something, I think 22nd or so, my guy was released from Umuahia. As soon as he released, after he paid 1.5 million to bail himself. To bail himself because the police told him that this is a case of self-kidnap. As soon as they release him, another team appear. They say they are from Abuja. They have received a petition that Andrew must leave, must come to Nigeria. See, I don't want somebody to distract me. If your brain, I don't know whatever is your name. If you are in a, let me just block one person when you understand what they talk. I go block your mama. Go and comment somewhere else. If you know one here, just carry your head, they go. And if you get a charge and bail a recharge card, when you want to make a fast comment, be careful because I'll block you. I have never seen anything against Harrison. Harrison has done absolutely godly work. Harrison has done unbelievable work. Harrison has done fantastic job. And I thank him for this. But the bigger picture is being hidden. una no one look am, because emotion they carry people, and this team of people where they call themselves FC, very dark man FC, whiskey FC. If I catch anybody, they call me, they call themselves my FC, I block you. I don't need FC. I need people where they rational, where they reason, where they think. Because if they do FC now, when I go push person, the person no go fit talk a mind. You no go fit talk the truth. You go call the lie for una. Because when they do FC, I don't need FC. So make I go back to the matter. The guy did everything possible for him to be locked up. Numerous cases. I dey tell una the story of one of an incident in Port Harcourt wherein they knock the PRO of the case when they're supposed to the jail am for. If they knock him. If they knock the PRO of the case. The PRO regularly visit to get knocked. So the guy now carry himself. They go. The police come release them. Carry and come. Another team appear. This team will follow Harrison. Go Port Harcourt. Now the same team. The boss of that team, I go read you in message. I go show you in video. Everything there with Andrew. When Harrison, they talk yesterday night, after I called Harrison out. Now me call Harrison, I say, Harrison, I respect what you do. You are the one that broke the news to Nigerians that you have seen the picture of this guy, confirm pie. And on that live video we did, the first live video we did, I told you what the guy was wearing. On that day, I said the guy was wearing black top. I'm in the UK, so I wouldn't have been there to know the clothes he's wearing if I did not see him face to face. I said the guy was wearing black top with a red stripe here and with boss, Hugo Boss written. That is the clothes, that is the day. You dey see him? That is Andrew in his own car. Does he look chained to you? That is his glasses. I told you guys he was wearing a glasses. He called me. I am telling you now, this, anything you hear here, now fact. This is Andrew. So when Harrison, they talk yesterday, say, when they catch him, when they transfer him to Abuja, they carry him straight to the Abuja. I say it's incorrect. They not just carry him, they go Abuja. They carry him straight to, from Aba. They give him in car. They carry in car. They carry in clothes. They carry in laptop. They carry in passport. Police no get access to them. Police no get them. They give them. They release them. They give them money. The police, they stay for a house, chop food before they leave. Before they leave, police drink 4 cousin. I don't know what that drink is. They say 4 cousin. Now it be police drink them inside that house before they proceed to they go to that Andrew made this video. And then the text messages he sent to one of his friend in Plateau State. He said, this is the room. This is the room. This is my room. One of them is asleep. The other one is in the shower. See there, rara, you know rara, that thing where police they hold for hand. He says, see there, rara, I feel bad for them as they will get into trouble as I should have been in cell in Abuja already. You hear me in the way now talk. Now Andrew talk amo. See him. Now the text message with this. Now he send. Now he Andrew send to one person. No be just text message, oh. Because when Harrison talk last night, Harrison talk say they carry on straight. Now the information where police they give Harrison be that. No be Harrison they lie. So before when I go come they do Harrison fan base here, I they be fan base to a truth. Harrison no lie. Harrison they do what he can do in the environment he is. God bless him on that. Then the video attached is the video that Andrew sent to the young lady. This is the video. This is Andrew. So if you want to look, if you look at that video very well, you will see police Egbe. That ain't there. Now police Egbe, that Egbe be that. This police Egbe where you they see now inside that room. Now Andrew carry. He don't frustrated. He say he want pie himself. So one other police, he said, I took, let me read it for you. He said, this is the, make I read down. You can even read it on the page as well on our Telegram because we can't put everything on the page. He said, this is my room. One of them is asleep in the shower. You see they are Egbe. I feel bad for them as they will get in trouble. as I should have been in police cell, but their boss was greedy. I paid him 500,000 today, and he's still asking for more. Andu sent this message. I did not say Andu did not pay these children. Please, before you begin to run with fact, we no correct. You dey hear them now. Harrison no get all this thing. Harrison no get her. And if you get her, you no go fit discuss them. You no go fit discuss them. You understand? Because the police no know see this case go blow like this. Now me do am. Anybody where won't argue, may come argue with me. Now me do am. So when he send this video to this Omo, the Omo the right time say, please don't do anything stupid to yourself, please. Don't do anything stupid to yourself. The Omo right time. The whole chat is there. What I'm trying to correct is this. Police are hiding stuff. When they get to Uyo, they spend a night in Uyo. Then they proceeded from Uyo to be Abuja. The police divert again to Benue State. They got to Benue, one police want to see his wife. Oh, let me finish. Andu he said, I took their something to do myself. He said one of them rushed from the shower and they grabbed me and they collected it. Then Andu has to bribe them in that hotel with 1.5. No, they demanded for 1.5 million. No, they demanded for 3 million. Not to put chain on Andu's leg. After Andu did that, they say, we'll put chain on your leg and we'll tell our Oga, if you do this. Andu bribed them with 1.5. The account where the money was transferred to is there. Make they keep on lying. Make Nigerian police no join. You go see what I go do for this matter. You go see what I go do. And anyone where una the bribe, una go see what I go do for this matter. They Andu transfer 1.5 million. 1.5 million to the two police officers. One of the officers is the one that follow Harrison back to Aba to locate the remain of one of the girl. Make una dey share so that the truth go explode the way it's supposed to be. Make una tag anybody where una want tag. And I tell you, say like this it go be, like this it go be. I get all this evidence, and these people they lie up and down. These people they lie up and down. I don't know what is their interest. I don't know what will be their interest. So in that after I don't bribe them in Uyo, when he try to pie himself with their egbe, so they come carry and they go Abuja. But they are not going to Abuja straight. They branch in Benue. They stay in another hotel in Benue again. Andu called me from that Benue. I spoke to him. He said they are in Benue State. You didn't hear me so? He said they are in Benue State. I get the call log. I get the time. I get the frame. I said, what one are they do for Benue State again? He said, the one wants his wife. Hey, I say wahala. What kind of? He said this case no matter. Say he no do anything. Now so he they deny him for me or make I hear una. I said, did you do this thing? He said no. He said don't be silly, buddy. He said they gave me my phone. I have my phone. I have my laptop. I have my stuff. And he's dressed good. He dressed good. I said okay. Few hours later, Andu called me on a video call. I missed the call. That day, I went to the gym. From the gym, I decided to go to Lidl to pick eggs. I was in front of Lidl with my car like this. I parked in front of Lidl. I received a phone call. Video call. I missed it. So I was waiting. He called again on a video call. I pick it. I saw Andrew in black with the glasses in his car. And he said, Ben, I am running away. I said, why? I thought you were going to. He said, these people have destroyed me. I've spent up to 3 million from Aba to this place right now. I am done. I'm tired. I'm running away from them. I said, where are you running to? He was driving. He was on a FaceTime with me. I swear to God. On a FaceTime with me. Like this. Like this. He has a glasses on. I they tell una. I say, well, don't run. You don't know anywhere. This guy has never been driving himself interstate. Now people, they drive him. I say, you don't know anywhere. Where you they run? Where you they run to? I say, they go see you. This is the word. He said, I will go and park somewhere in a village until the night and I will move. I said, they will catch you. I said, start coming back to the UK. Go to, do you have your passport? You say, everything is in the car. Passport, laptop, everything. I said, if you are scared, call your lawyer, go and submit yourself, or go to the airport. Because me, I know if you go to the airport, they will catch him there. So I said, go to the airport. So that is the ability.